Hey guys, it's Andy here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make me of sticks from Sonic Boom. So for face, you want to choose this one, and you want to choose this color. The mustache, you want to choose this one, and you want to make it this color. And the mouth, you want to choose this one. Stretch him. Make it as like this. So for the eyes you want to choose this one. Make them as big as you can. Stretch him like that. We're going to do the eye color, but for the hairstyle, you want to choose this one. You want to keep it brown. The glasses, you want to choose this one because we're going to make it for the ears. The color, you want to make it brown. Or you can make it this brown. Oh wait. We're gonna put this for the I'm not sure which one to choose. Ignore about what I was just pressing, but for now I'm just gonna choose this. The eye color, you wanna choose this one. The eyebrows, you wanna choose this one right here. Make them as big as you can. Stretch them. Put them together. The mustache, you want to choose this one. Put them up. Make it as like this. The mole, you want to choose this one. Put them right here by the nose. And the nose, we're going to choose this one. We're going to shrink it. And the color, you want to make it orange. And the height, I guess you can make her like this. And you can make her like this skinny as well. So yeah, that's how you make me of sticks from Sonic Boom. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I make all the videos I'll be making. I'll see you guys in the next video. So goodbye.